India announced a 30% tax on crypto. Income from transfer of any form of digital assets will now be taxed at a hefty 30%, according to Indian Finance Minister. This comes after a surge of crypto adoption in India despite warnings regarding money laundering and price volatility. India's crypto market grew 641% in the year to June 2021, according to Chainalysis. The finance minister also announced the upcoming implementation of India's central bank digital currency, CBDC, coming in April. While some view taxation is a positive step for official recognition of crypto in India, 30% is taking a bit too far. This move definitely discourages traders and maybe even promote long-term hodlers. Second largest DeFi hack ever. Blockchain bridge Wormhole lost $320 million in Ether. Wormhole is one of the largest cross-chain bridges between Solana and other blockchains. It has over $1 billion in total value locked. A blockchain bridge allows users to move crypto assets from one chain to another chain. With Wormhole, users can lock up Ether on Ethereum blockchain and get wrapped Ether on Solana. This locked up Ether supports the 1:1 peg between Ether and wrapped Ether. 80,000 ETH was stolen from the Wormhole's vault in a single transaction. This means all the wrapped Ether on Solana is suddenly unbacked and could become worthless. The company attempted to contact the thief and offered a $10 million bounty for returning the funds. The total value locked on Solana fell about 12% since the hack. Not all hope is lost though. The bug has been fixed and Jump Crypto, the parent company of Wormhole, replaced the 120k Ether that was stolen. That said, Jump Crypto believes in a multi-chain future and that Wormhole is essential infrastructure. This is a very scary time for users of bridges. Coincidentally, Ethereum founder Vitalik discussed about security risks of blockchain bridges in a tweet just 2 weeks ago using Solana as an example, no less. Meta, formerly Facebook, joined Crypto Open Patent Alliance. Crypto Open Patent Alliance, COPA, is a non-profit community founded by Block, formerly Square. This alliance has over 30 members, including Coinbase, MicroStrategy, Kraken, and Uniswap. Through COPA, Meta pledged not to enforce its core cryptocurrency patents against any individual or company except for defensive reasons. This effectively makes its patents freely available for all to use. Some of these patents include Meta's technology that enables the mining, storage, transmission, and security of cryptocurrencies. In the same week, Facebook stock dropped 26%, wiping $230 billion in value. Meta has announced a sharp decrease in profitability in its first earning report since Zuckerberg announced a directional change towards metaverse. Zuckerberg said he is still confident in metaverse plans despite the stock drop. This is the worst ever market crash of any company in value. There seem to be numerous reasons for this drop, including inflationary pressures on ad spending, Apple's move to change the ad tracking mechanism back in 2021, as well as serious loss of users in the US and Canada. According to Zuckerberg, although our direction is clear, it seems that our path ahead is not quite perfectly defined. Aside from metaverse, the company is investing very heavily into their TikTok rival Reels, which is the fastest growing product. Zuckerberg believes this to be the right short-term trade-off. China pilots nationwide blockchain development over real-world use cases. The Cyberspace Administration of China is looking to encourage development of blockchain implementation across a range of key state industries, including manufacturing, law enforcement, taxation, and several more. Though very cynical of private cryptocurrency use, China is not blind to state-backed application of blockchain technology. According to a notice, the CAC is seeking to, quote, promote the intensive and balanced layout of blockchain technology infrastructure in the region, form a large-scale production-level cross-chain data exchange, support capability, and promote the formation of multi-party collaborative blockchain industry ecology, quote. Despite a heavy anti-crypto stance adopted by the Chinese government, the nation has shown an increasing interest in blockchain technology, more broadly even NFT specifically. Tezos transaction volume up more than 400% in 1 year on NFT demand. This has been largely attributed to the uptake in the NFT adoption in the blockchain. Just like many other low-cost blockchains, the proof-of-stake network has benefited from the Ethereum's scalability issues. The extortionate gas fees on Ethereum has pushed some NFT users over to Tezos and other low-cost blockchains. According to a report from Coinmetrics, the volume of transactions involving smart contracts has soared from less than 10,000 per day in January 2021 to more than 50,000 per day. The uptick is partly driven by increased use of generative art platform FXHash, as well as gaming giant Ubisoft announcing Tezos support for their gaming NFTs towards the end of 2021. Also, the number of wallets containing at least one Tezos has risen more than 150% in 12 months recently, breaking past 300,000 mark. Some good news for Solana. Coinbase is looking to list assets from Solana Ecosystem. More specifically, the exchange is close to listing tokens from the Solana ecosystem. Essentially, this would allow withdrawals of SLP or Solana Programming Language. According to sources, this could include the likes of USDC run on Solana blockchain. This would be the first time that Coinbase would support USDC withdrawals to other than Ethereum blockchain. Perhaps this could also be the start of Coinbase diversifying into other layer 1 assets such as Algorand, etc. While Coinbase used to be a lot more hesitant to list different tokens in the past, they have become more willing in the recent times. This falls in line with the broader strategy of listing every compliant asset possible. And that's it for the updates this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. This is Praveen and I'll see you again soon.